People think being smart is some kind of cheat code, like life just opens doors for you, like you see the answer faster and everything clicks. That's the myth. What nobody talks about is the quiet side of intelligence, the part that doesn't look impressive, the part that keeps you up at night, staring at the ceiling, replaying moments that already ended. Because when your brain runs hot, it doesn't come with an off switch. You don't just think, you overthink everything. A sentence someone said 3 days ago, the tone, the pause before it, what they meant, what they might have meant, what it says about them, and somehow what it says about you. Your mind keeps spinning, looking for the right move, until there are so many options that you freeze. Not because you're unsure, but because you see too much. Then there's people. You want real conversations, the kind that go somewhere. Ideas, motives, why people do what they do. But most interactions stay surface level. Weather, work, weekend plans. Same script, different day. So you nod, you play along, and still feel alone sitting right there with everyone else. Not lonely like you need company, lonely like nobody's actually there with you. Your awareness doesn't help either. You notice patterns other people miss, micro-reactions, inconsistencies, the vibe shift before anyone admits something's wrong. You can tell when someone's lying or hiding or manipulating the room without saying a word. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. It's exhausting watching the world like that, always reading between lines no one else even notices exist. Then comes the pressure. People expect things from you. High standards, clean wins, no slip-ups. And the second you mess up, the look changes. I thought you were smarter than that. So you carry this quiet fear of failing publicly, of being exposed as not as capable as everyone assumes. You don't call it fear, you call it staying sharp, but it sits in your chest all the same. Boredom hits hard too. Routine drains you. Repetition numbs you. Your brain wants friction, problems, layers, something to chew on. Without it, you drift, you procrastinate, not because you're lazy, because your mind isn't being fed. Then there's perfectionism, not the cute, organized kind, the brutal kind. The kind where good feels like failure, where finishing something isn't enough if it's not flawless, where rest feels undeserved. So you push and push until burnout sneaks up and wrecks you from behind. You also question everything, rules, traditions, authority, even your own thoughts. You don't accept answers just because they're comfortable. You need them to make sense. That curiosity fuels growth, but it also makes small talk harder. Simple explanations feel hollow, and people who don't like being questioned tend to pull away. And emotionally, that's the heaviest part. You feel deeply, too deeply sometimes. You pick up on other people's pain, their stress, their unspoken stuff. And somehow it sticks to you, even when it's not yours to carry. You walk away heavier than you arrived, not knowing why you're suddenly drained. So no, being intelligent isn't about having it all figured out. It's about seeing more layers than most people want to deal with. And that can feel isolating, confusing, heavy. But if this hit close to home, hear this. Your mind isn't broken. It's just tuned differently. You're not too much. You just go deeper than most. If you felt this, drop one thought in the comments. Not a paragraph, just a thought. And if this felt uncomfortably accurate, you already know why hitting like helps more than it looks.